Regional GCC powerhouse Byrne Group today will announce that it is to be acquired for 1 billion dirhams. And I'm here with the COO, Pat Fallon, to tell us more about the deal. My name is Jeremy Lawrence and you're watching Inside AB. Okay, Pat, congratulations on the deal. It's a very big one. Before we get into the specifics of it, can you tell us about the Byrne Group?
Certainly. The Byrne Group of companies has existed in this part of the world for the last 25 years. The largest part of the business exists in the equipment rental space, which is the largest equipment rental company of its type, meaning the largest in terms of diversity of fleet that we provide to the market. The other companies associated within the Byrne Group are Byrne Medical, which is one of the latest additions to the family, which is the provision of high-end medical equipment to the healthcare industry. And the other element, which is again a sister company of ours, Byrne Technical Services and Spacemaker, which exists in the design, manufacture and delivery of high-end bespoke modular structures. Okay,
so it's a big operation. Tell us a bit more about the other parties involved in this deal. Who are they?
The other parties involved, the combination of V-Power and CITIC Pacific. Of those, V-Power are better known to us, having been involved with Byrne for the past 10 years in the capacity of supplier of high-end power generation solutions. CITIC is a more recent addition, is one of the largest, you will learn as we go along. It's the largest conglomerate in China, with a number of interests in energy, real estate and steel.
Okay. Now, I know that it's a private company, and before we start recording this, I was asking you about the specifics of the deal, and there's only so much you can tell me.
Certainly.
But I'm going to ask you again, what can you tell us about the specifics of this acquisition?
Specifics of the deal, obviously, I can't discuss a great deal about it at the moment. The formation of the new entity to acquire the entire share capital of the Byrne rental business is shared between our current chairman, Sheikh Hamad Al Suleiman, and the incoming parties in the form of the joint CITIC Pacific and V-Power entity.
Okay. So why now?
Why now? I guess it's a good question. We have for a long time since our current owners, Hanco, have acquired the business, there's been the development of a strategic plan in terms of where we go to from here. Our ambition would be, in the course of the coming 3 to 5 years, to look at listing the company. And we really have searched for a suitable partner to bring us along that path. We have been lucky enough to join forces with V-Power and CITIC Pacific on the basis that these are people who bring strengths to our business, who bring new dimensions. It allows us to enter into a new phase in our history.
Okay.
And particularly so in the case of the mega power market.
Right. Can you tell us more about this mega power market and what it enables you to do in this region?
Certainly. The Byrne business have long been known for their involvement in the power generation market, the rental and power generation equipment specifically. However, there are certain elements to power generation that we currently do not compete in, and that regards more to the multi-megawatt power packages, the 100 megawatt and above type scenario. This is a space where V-Power have a long history using their IBO model to develop that business across Southeast Asia in particular and other parts of the globe. So what we're seeking to do is leverage their strengths and use them within the Byrne Group to develop our business in that area across the GCC.
Okay. And you mentioned there about Asia. Obviously, these companies that you're partnering with have got huge traction in that market, a massive market. So what will it allow you to do in Asia?
Well, from the Byrne perspective, one of the nice things about our business is that the model is highly transferable. And I think that's one of the things that our incoming partners have recognized and appreciated, because they understand that the model, our rental model, can be pushed out into various parts of Asia, where again, their presence in that geography, we'll seek to leverage that so that we get an optimal result from the coming together of the two parties.
Okay. So where do you hope to be in 3 to 5 years' time with the business? You mentioned the IPO, but how much bigger do you want to be as a group?
Look, we've never made any secret of the fact that we wish to be the largest provider of equipment rental and lease solutions through our Byrne model. We have similar ambitions concerning our Byrne Spacemaker, Byrne Technical Services business, and more lately the Byrne Medical business. So the answer to your question is we want to be significantly bigger than where we are today. We want to be at a value significantly in excess of justifying a billion dirham deal. And as I said earlier, the ambition ultimately would be to seek to list the business in the matter of 3 to 5 years.
Okay. Well, Pat, thank you very much for talking us through that deal. Very exciting times ahead for the Byrne Group, I'm sure, and we look forward to finding out more soon. So
Thank you very much.
You've been watching this special edition of Inside AB. Today, to recap, the news that Byrne Group is to be acquired for $1 billion dirhams. Exciting times ahead. My name is Jeremy Lawrence. You've been watching Inside AB. Please do subscribe to our channel and share and comment below. See you.